Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus with a bright white exterior. It's riding on 18-inch Michelin Premier tires with excellent tread. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Pacifica 287 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Pacifica seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. And if you're on the driver's side or front passenger, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left is your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 25,071 kilometers. This Pacifica comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. And finally with nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is our tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Pacifica. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here, or up here on your Uconnect touchscreen. Heading into the second row, you have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as Sto N Go with lots of leg space. As we head into the third row, we have 3 more seats, again with lots of leg room. And going to the sliding door, you get heated seats for the second row. Looking up, you have your panoramic sunroof. And for entertainment purposes, both front seats contain the Uconnect entertainment system. And once you're done in the back, you press this button, activating the power sliding door. As we move to the trunk, we have plenty of cargo space. If you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. And if you're done in the back, we have another button here, activating the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus. If you like what you see and like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.